Now let's move on to the basics of counting. The basics of counting. And we'll discuss the product rule. And the product rule states that a procedure that can be broken into a sequence of two tasks, there are n1 ways to do the first task and n2 ways to do the second task. Then there are n1 times n2 ways to do the procedure. Now, if we have a procedure P, let's say, and this procedure P is having two tasks, let's say 1 and 2. Let's give them the name T1 and T2. And according to the product rule, if the task T1 can be done in n1 ways and task T2 can be done in n2 ways, then the entire procedure can be done in n1 times n2 ways. Now, to get an idea of this, let's take this example where how many bit strings of length 7 are there. Now, if you look at this entire thing and consider this to be as a process, so each bit will represent a task, and we have this string which is 7 bit long. So this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And since this is a bit string, we can represent each task. If we consider each bit over here or each digit over here to be a task, then it can be represented in two ways, either 0 or 1. So this is equal to 2. So each task can be represented two ways. So this will be 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. And since there are 7 of these, these will multiply, and what we'll get is 2 times 7. So these number of bits can be generated from a bit string of length 7. Now let's have a look at another example. Let's have a look at another example. So here we are asked to see how many different license plates can be made if each plate consists a sequence of 3 uppercase English letters followed by 3 digits. So this task of generating the license plates this procedure of generating the license plate has 6 digits. The first 3 contains a sequence of 3 uppercase English letters. So we have choices from A to Z. So in total there are 26 choices. So this will be, here each task can be represented in 26 ways. And here, since we have the next 3 as digits, so we have each task can be represented by any number which is between 0 and 9. So this will have 10. Each task can be represented in 10 ways. So this will be equal to 26 times 26 times 26 times 10 times 10 times 10. So there are these many possibilities. If you calculate this number, these are the number of license plates that we can generate.